Now I'm going to use the almonds. Just going to take about 1.5 tablespoons. I'm going to take a little bit of cherries. It's nice color, and a little bit of raisins. And I'm going to mix it all together. And that's the last one. Put it in a tray. Now we need to preheat the oven for 400, and we're going to put those mandel bread for 24 minutes at 400.